in Varanasi. Here through the trees here. Ganges River is flowing here through. We're on the Ghats. We're here at the Brigu Kesav temple. All of these little spots here are housing Shiva lingams, and then over here we've got Ma and Hanuman. And these three trees are neem, peepal, and then a banyan tree. And they represent the Hindu trinity, Shiva, Brahma, and Vishnu. And so this video is just to share with you a prayer for peace. So we're going to call in our presence here at Ma's Mandir with all these bells. Here she is, Jai Ma. And then we're going to come over here and we got to the Hanuman Mandir where we have left this Jai Hanuman. This mauli thread that we have been charging up there for a little while, receiving some blessings. We're going to bring it over here to this peepal tree. In India, there's a practice of using this mauli thread for many different kinds of things, but protection is one. Saying prayers is another. Sending blessings to something. And when you wrap it around a tree, you're acknowledging the sacred presence and power of nature in our unity with us here, and honoring that presence and connecting yourself to nature and connecting your prayers here to the earth. So I'm tying it to this one. So I'm going to tie it around this peepal tree. We're going to walk around the whole thing. You'll see a bunch of much older mandirs that are weathered here and part of the tree blessing. And Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti we'll start with for peace. But as I wrap this around, I'm going to do the mantra Lokah, Samastah, Sukhino, Bhanavantu, which basically translates to may all beings be happy and free and know peace. So we'll start again with the Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Lokah, Samastah, Sukhino, Bhanavantu. 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 So, doing our mantra, Sanskrit Mantra, it's the root of all languages. Excuse me, I can't talk to you right now. And so, as we're doing this, we're connecting our prayer to the earth, sending it with her power also, that all beings know happiness and peace and freedom. You can do that mantra anytime you'd like. Sanskrit mantras are particularly powerful. Sanskrit is the root languages for almost all of the languages still spoken here on earth, including English. But there's a power to the sounds and as they reverberate in our space. It's a great way to send up prayers. All right. And freedom and peace as well.